Welcome to the Fiverr course, guys. Thank you so much for getting this course, and I'm gonna actually be showing you guys step by step, all right, on how you can basically, get started on Fiverr the proper way. All right, just a little bit of introduction before we get started. So this course actually covers those that are actually new to Fiverr, right, and you don't know how to get started on Fiverr, you don't even know anything. And for those that have been on Fiverr before and you don't really you're not really getting results the way you ought to, right? So this video is actually for everyone, right? So because I'm gonna actually take you back and show you everything step by step. One thing we have to actually understand is that, you see, working on Fiverr is not something that happens overnight. Okay, it requires consistency, it requires you to be disciplined about it, and try doing things that actually works. All right, the reason why a lot of people actually get fed up is because they try things on Fiverr, does not work for them, they go somewhere else, right? Implement all those things. Probably that thing they actually go implement does not really work for them. They come back to Fiverr because they just saw one video on YouTube that actually bring results. You see, one thing, the difference between you and the person that is getting results is just the consistency, right, and the kind of focus that person have only on just one thing, right? So it's better for you to stick to one thing that works than you moving up and down, right? So I'm gonna be showing you everything. Believe me, this thing actually works. If you're very, very disciplined about it, consistent about it, I guarantee you're actually gonna make results on Fiverr. So thank you so much. So see you on the next episode. Bye, guys.